So how do you make the keyboard larger on the iPhone? Let me explain it. So as you can see currently, this is what the keyboard looks like. So if you have it like put it to the left like this or to the right, make sure you expand it with the arrow to make it larger. That's the first step. But to make it even larger, it would make sense to go to the settings app like this, and a part of the general section, part of the display and brightness, we have the zoom feature at the bottom. So we have the display zoom like this, and you can choose between the default and a large text, and this applies across the board, across the whole device. But if you switch to the large text like this, you can see that it will perform a little restart, but you're going to notice that the keyboard is also going to be a little bit larger. So as you can see, it is bigger like this. It was a little bit toward the bottom, right? So it is much larger now alongside all of the other things, right? So depends on your preference and how you like it. And even if you use the default mode, right, like this, you can still just go to a place where you can rotate your phone into the landscape mode, and the keyboard is also going to be much larger, right? So make sure that the rotation is enabled like this. And once you rotate the phone, you can see that the keyboard is much bigger and it is much more comfortable to type on it this way. So that is yet another way to make the keyboard larger on your iPhone. Definitely subscribe for more tutorials by Foxtecc. I'll see you later in the future uploads.